Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I figured I would show you guys pretty much where I keep my new makeup products in my collection. And typically for my makeup hauls, I pretty much just sit here and just share with you guys my new makeup that I picked out from the store. But I do have an actual drawer where I store all of my makeup, so I kind of figured versus doing a traditional like beauty haul where I just haul it for you guys, I figured we could just dive back into my makeup collection again, and I could just pretty much show you guys my new products in my actual new makeup drawer. So if you guys want to see what these new products are, then of course let's get started. All right, you guys, so this is pretty much where I store my new makeup in this drawer. Plus I keep like my eyelashes stuff and my lip prep stuff in my videos over here. But again, this is pretty much my new makeup products that I've purchased minus my wipes. I just have this hair for when I'm filming also. All right, the first one is going to be the G Day Sydney eyeshadow palette. I also have their Ola Rio eyeshadow palette as well. When I saw these on their Instagram page, I just knew I had to have it. So it's definitely going to be my new addition to my collection. All right, so when you open it up, you do have some really pretty like neutral colors in here. You also have some really pretty pops of colors like the blue, the green, the brown. You also have that really pretty like lighter bluish color, and of course you have your traditional dark brown and your lighter brown as well. And of course the last three shades on top, they're more on the lighter side. I probably can't use those, but I just thought the bottom row was pretty much what sold me in terms of wanting to have the palette. So again, it's going to be my new addition from Essence, and again, it's going to be the G Day Sydney eyeshadow palette. And you guys will probably see this in a video sometime soon. Probably any of these palettes you'll probably see in a video sometime soon, so just be on the lookout for that one. I'm not going to swatch any of these products because I'm actually holding my camera while holding the product as well, so it's kind of hard to swatch them. But yeah, here is what it looks like. And this is going to be the inside of the Ola Rio eyeshadow palette. I thought it was so gorgeous. I love the pop of colors on the bottom. You have that really pretty purple color. You also have your matte brown. You also have like your yellow gold, like your bronze gold. You have that really pretty burgundy color in the corner. So again, really pretty eyeshadow palette. And again, I just had to have it. So yeah, here it is. All right, the next two items, one is going to be an actual blush palette. This is going to be a eyeshadow palette. I just figured I would show you guys both because they're from the same collection. This is going to be the Catrice Time Iman collection that they had at Ulta. I wanted to get the highlighting palette, but I just told myself I'll just hold off on that because I don't need any new highlighters right now. But nonetheless, it was really beautiful. So the first one is going to be the blush palette in this really pretty pink packaging. I think packaging is so cute and sleek as well. So here is the inside of the palette. It is gorgeous. Can you guys see that? It is so pretty. I just love the colors in here. I think they're definitely woman of color friendly just by looking at it. You guys know once I actually apply it to my face, I can definitely tell you guys for sure. But the bottom two colors, those are speaking to me, and especially this color. Like, they're all really pretty colors. So I cannot wait to play with this blush palette. It actually reminded me of the e.l.f. blush palette. I want to say it's called Dark. This is what this palette reminded me of. So I thought it was really pretty. And this one is going to be your eyeshadow palette. Here is what this palette looked like. It is so gorgeous. It's definitely a fall, winter kind of palette. It's definitely your kind of palette if you love neutral colors, if you're into like the more gold tones, the more bronzier colors, your browns, your blacks. It's definitely going to be the palette for you. I think it's a well-rounded neutral palette, and it was super affordable as well. So I am so excited for this because you also have a matte black, you also have a matte brown in here, like the two essential colors, and of course you have the perfect lid colors as well. So if you are a girl who love neutral colors, it's definitely going to be the palette for you. So again, it's really pretty and super excited to have this palette in my collection. And again, it's one of those palettes you can take with you to travel and just be happy and content with it because you can create a neutral look or a glam look as well. Next palette is going to be by good old Morphe. It's going to be the Artistry palette. This one is going to be the 9J palette. It's called Just a Crush. And again, it's the 9J palette by Morphe. Look at this palette, you guys. I actually saw Jackie Aina use this palette on her channel in her video, and I just knew I had to have it. It is so gorgeous. It definitely screams like fall all the way around. You have your burgundy colors. Like, it's just a really pretty, gorgeous palette. I cannot wait to actually just dive in and play with it and just create some really pretty, like, vampy, beautiful, bold eyes in terms of like a nice makeup look. So definitely check it out. Again, it's the new palette by Morphe, and it is so freaking pretty. Cannot wait to play with it. All right, I also have this palette by Makeup Obsession. It's called Be Passionate About. If you watch one of my old like vlogs from back in the summer, I featured this palette as far as a new purchase. I still haven't used it since I purchased it, but it is a newer palette of mine's. It's nothing that's like new for fall, but just wanted to show you guys on here if you did not watch my vlog. Again, it's going to be the Makeup Obsession palette. You can find them at Target. All right, moving in, I do have by Makeup Obsession is going to be the Mega Metal Highlight in Compact. Is going to be the one I featured in that vlog also when I purchased the actual eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I do have this as my new highlighter. As you can see, I didn't really buy any highlighters because I already had this one and I still haven't used it yet. So I did pick this up at Target. I didn't see any bronzers in a store that caught my attention, so that's why I don't have any bronzers in here. I do have the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. I always wanted to try this product because I've always heard nothing but good things about it, and I just kept putting it off because I have so many beauty blenders from working at Sephora when I used to work there, and I also have so many Real Technique sponges as well. So I just never purchased this because I just didn't see the need for it, but I just keep hearing really good things about it, and I just figured just buy it. So I went ahead and purchased it. I do have 2 new concealers, which I'm super excited about because I haven't tried any new concealers in so long. You guys want to keep my, you see my gum? I keep my concealers in these 2 drawers, but I don't have any new concealers in here. So definitely want to give these 2 a try. It's going to be the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. I got mine in the color called Golden Caramel. If you guys can see it, I don't know. Anyways, it looks like it's going to be a good match. I don't think it's going to be one that's going to highlight under my eyes because there was missing some shades in there. I think it was pretty much sold out. So it looks like it's going to be close to my skin tone, but we'll see when we actually put it to the test. But again, I do have it in the color called Golden Caramel. I also have the new Superstay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer by Maybelline. I have heard nothing but good things about this concealer as well. I have mine in the color called Caramel 40. And here is the packaging for it. It does have a doe foot on it. Again, I just had to wing it in store with the actual color selection, so I'm hoping this is going to work for me. And I actually have one more new concealer. This is going to be the Revolution Pro collection. I want to say they're part of Makeup Revolution, but theirs seem to be more like fancier, if that makes sense. But I got the Ultimate Coverage Crease Proof Concealer. It contains hyaluronic acid, collagen, antioxidants, and peptides. I got the color called C12.2. Again, their packaging looks so much more fancier compared to Makeup Revolution. So I'm assuming they're going to be like the more fancier line for that actual collection. Here is what it looks like. Again, it's so luxurious looking. I love the packaging on it. I got C12.2 because in the concealer I always get C13, so I just kind of figured C12.2 should be a good match. But again, once I actually use it, I will definitely let you guys know, and I will use it in an upcoming video so you guys can see how that performs. I might get some more things from that line because they had an actual highlighting palette that I wanted that looked so gorgeous, but they were pretty much sold out. I don't know if they were sold sold out or they haven't received it yet because they was actually putting the product out for this. So they may not have gotten that color yet. That's more for my skin tone, but I may get some more things from that actual line and just film a video on it for you. Next, I got the NYX Born to Glow foundation. Again, I've heard nothing but good things about it. It's going to be a radiant foundation. You guys know I have dry skin. I have it in the color called Nutmeg, and I had to wing it. They had the testers out, but I had Trey with me when I went to return my stuff, so I couldn't really get to like take my time and actually swatch it. So I just kind of had to eyeball it. So I'm hoping it's gonna work for me. It was only $10, super inexpensive, and I'm super excited to give this product a try. Then I also have the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation with hyaluronic acid. You guys know I have the original one, which is more for your oily skin people, but I do have dry skin and I still love that one. I got F13 because that's the same color that I have in the other foundation, so I'm hoping it's going to work in this one as well. I do have dry skin, so I'm super excited to give the Hydrating Foundation a try. I also got 3 new glosses. It's going to be by the I Love Revolution brand. This is going to be one of those colors that I would have to pair with a actual brown lip liner, which I don't mind doing that anyways, but I thought the color was so pretty. Love the packaging on it. This one is called Chocolate Orange. I guess I'll swatch the lip glosses for you guys right quickly. So this one again is called Chocolate Orange. I would have to pair it with a brown lip liner. It's supposed to be a gloss. It's not as glossy as I thought it was going to be, but it's still a really pretty color. So that's that color. The next one is going to be Chocolate Brownie. Again, I will have to pair it with a brown lip liner, but I don't mind. This one looks more on the mauve pinkish side, so let me give this one a swatch too. All right, and here it is on the top, and it's definitely that pinky mauve color. It actually smells like brownie when you smell it, and it is called Chocolate Brownie. So if you like chocolatey scents, it definitely smells like brownie. It smells so good. So again, that's the top one. So Chocolate Brownie and Chocolate Orange. And then this last one is called Chocolate Fudge. So let's give Chocolate Fudge a swatch. All right, and here is Chocolate Fudge on the bottom. It smells like a chocolate cake mix, like in those like box cakes. Like that's what it smells like. It smells so good. So that is going to be my 3 new lip purchases in terms of like glosses. Then I also picked up some lip liners from the Essence line, and then I also have some from these I already had. And then let's see, I already had that one, and I also picked up the Catrice Slamatic brow pencil. I got mine in a color called Warm Brown. So again, I'm gonna give it a try. I keep hearing good things about this product as well, so I'm gonna try this one out. But then here is my 2 new lip pencils by Essence. It's going to be the Soft Contouring Lip Pencil. I have it in the color called Going Steady, and the next one is going to be called Deeply Intoxicated. So I'm just going to give these 2 a swatch right quickly so you guys can see how they look. All right, so the one on the bottom is called Deeply Intoxicated, and the one on top is called Going Steady. So that's more of a brown color, Deeply Intoxicated, almost like a brownish vampy purple kind of color. And then Going Steady is more of a purple color. I think it'll be really cute with that top one from I Heart Revolution, but we will definitely see when we give them a try. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much my new makeup purchases. I haven't went makeup shopping in so long, like so long. So I know some of these products aren't necessarily new in terms of like new releases, but they're definitely new to me, and they're definitely still your fall releases, if that makes sense. So hopefully you guys enjoy this version of a haul. Don't worry, my future hauls, I will do it the traditional way where I'm actually hauling the product up for you guys so I can actually get to swatch them. So just wanted to do something different and just actually show you guys where I store my new makeup. That way I know what product I need to use and try out for videos, because it's already in its own little drawer. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.